Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, Who Dat Teacher. How y'all guys doing? I am back to teach you another line dance. But before I do, make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. That's right, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Yes, it's next year, but we're getting ready to this year. Registration opens June 1st, 2023 of this year, but you can go and book your room right now. Go to our website, read about all the details. You book your room there, and registration will take place at our website. Please go to our website at www.lmiunola.com. lmiunola.com. So, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, thank you for joining me again. This line dance I'm going to teach you is called No Sugar, No Cream. Okay, now I don't know what they're talking about, but in my coffee, if you're talking about coffee, I like a little sugar. Just one little pack, no cream. Okay, pretty much black, but one sugar. Okay, so this line dance is called No Sugar, No Cream. Okay, it is a one wall dance, and you're gonna do 5 rotations. Okay, so rotation number 4 will change, and then you go back to doing what you do in rotation 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it is a one wall dance, and it's kind of fast. So I'm going to encourage you to dance on the ball of your feet, okay? Not your heels. Bring your weight to the front. So stand over here, looking out in this direction, and we're going to start with a cross and kick, and kick out for 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross and kick, kick, kick. That's simple, okay? So it's so fast, sometimes you might not be able to cross like that, okay? Because it's fast, okay? So it's a cross and kick, right over left, left over right, and kick for 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to cross and kick again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, hold 5, 6, hold 7, 8. So we did a pause there, okay? So the second time we did a cross and kick, right over left, left over right, and then we pause on the right and we paused on the left, okay? So let's put that together. 5, 6 from the top. Cross and kick, 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 kick. Again, cross and kick, hold right, hold left, okay? Just a pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? From here, we're gonna do a step pivot turn with the right shoulder coming forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming back to this wall, okay? Yeah, coming back to this wall. Just a pivot turn, full turn, okay? Let's add that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, kick. 5, 6, 7, cross and kick. Let's pause. Hold and hold. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to do a chevron. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step chevron. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I'm going to say that's a lock step. It's a step, chevron, step, chevron. I'm going to say it's going to be a lock step. Lock step up on the right and the left, okay? So from the top, we do a cross and kick. On the right and the left, we kick for 4. We cross and kick again. We pause on the right. We pause on the left, okay? We step pivot turn on the right, full turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. We move up with a lock step, and then we're going to come back with 2 kickball change. Kickball change on the right. Kickball change, okay? That's what we're going to do. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, cross and kick, kick 4 times, cross and kick again, cross and kick, pause on the right, pause on the left, pivot around, give me a lock step up, lock step, 2 kickball change, moving back, okay? Let's do that again, and I'm gonna slow it down for you. 5, 6, 7, and cross and kick, kick, cross and kick, right over left, left over right, and then pause, pivot on that right, step pivot, lock step on the right and the left. So we moved up, then we're gonna step kickball change, back on the right. So right, left, right, left. Kickball change, okay? So kick on that right again. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right. Yeah, right, left, right, left. There you go. Okay, so let's practice that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross and kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Kick in place. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross again. Then pause. Pivot around. We're gonna lock step up on the right and the left. Kick on the right. Kickball change. Up, back, and turn. Okay. So we're gonna make a half turn. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna turn, half turn. So I did up, back, turn. On my right shoulder, come back, half turn. Up, back, and turn. All right? So let's add that. So I did turn, but it's still a one wall dance. So a one wall dance is when you start over. When you start the dance over, what wall you're gonna be at? You're still gonna be at this front wall, okay? So although we made a half turn, doesn't make it a 2 wall dance. It's just a turn in the dance. But what determines if a dance is 2 walls, 4 walls, or 1 wall is when you go back to the top of the dance, what wall are you starting at? And we'll be back at this wall, okay? So here we go. Cross and kick. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Pause, pivot around. We're gonna lock step up on the right and the left. Kick that right. Kickball change, up, back, and turn. Okay? Now from here, we're gonna, instead of doing a lot of moving, right? So we're gonna slide up, heel. Just raise your heels up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So you just lifting your heels up and down. So you do that on the right and the left. Step up on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you do on the right, you do on the left. From here, we're gonna kick out on the right, to the side. Single, double, right, left. And we did a full turn. Roll into the right, step into the right. So we kick out on the right. Single, double, right, left. Right, left. Okay? From here, we're gonna kick it forward. Just kick in place. Kick and cross. Kick and cross. Kick, cross. Left, kick and cross. So what you do on the right, you do on the left. Okay? From here, we tap and lift, cross, and turn in a dance. End of dance. Now we back at the front wall and we start over. Okay, I'm gonna go over this. So we did that turn back, up, back, right shoulder come back, half turn. Slide up, pump the heels, heel, slide left, and heel, heel. We're gonna kick out to the side, single, single, double, double. Right, left, right, right. You're gonna roll to the right on the right foot. Right, left, making a full turn. In place, we're gonna kick right, left, and kick and cross, and left, right, and kick and cross. Tap, lift, cross, right on the left, half turn. The right shoulder coming forward. And that's the end of the dance, okay? So we're gonna do 5 rotations. You're gonna do 3 rotations as we just did, just now. And I'll go through it. We're gonna go through the dance. Rotation 4 is going to change, okay? And I'm gonna show you how it's gonna change. And then rotation 5, we're gonna do it as we did it on rotation 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3, and 5, you do the same. Rotation 4 changes up a little bit, and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna change, okay? So let's do the whole entire dance. So when we go through this part here, what we're gonna do on the front and back wall is what you're gonna do on rotation 1, 2, 3, and 5. So what is the rotation? When you come back to this wall and start all over again, it's another rotation, okay? So when you come back to this wall, we start here the first time, right? Okay, you're gonna do the dance as I'm gonna show you just now, right now, okay? Then when you come back to this wall again, that's the second rotation. You do it the same. Then when you come back to this wall again, start the dance over again, that's the third rotation. You do it the same. But when you come back to this wall again and start the dance on the fourth rotation, it's gonna change, and I'm gonna show you. Then when you come back and start the dance again on the 5th rotation, it's going to go back to what I'm going to get ready to teach you. So 1, 2, 3, and 5 will be the same. 4 will change. So let's go through what we're gonna do for rotation 1, 2, 3, and 5. Here we go. We start with the cross and kick, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross and kick, cross and kick, 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 kick. Cross and kick, and pause. And pause. Pivot, pivot, lock step up, lock step, kick on that right, kick back on 2 times, then up, back turn. And slide up. Slide, pump, pump, slide, pump. Get it out. Right, left, right, roll. Right, left. Kick, 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 and cross. Kick left, kick, kick, and cross. Tap, lift, right over left, and turn. Okay? That's what you want to do, rotation, and then you start again. Same thing that we just did on rotation 1, 2, 3, and 5. That's what you're going to do. And I'm going to do it again. I'm going to give you a count, and then I'm going to show you rotation 4. What you're going to do for rotation 4. It's nothing hard. We're just going to take something out, okay? All right. So let's do it. What we're going to do for rotation 1, 2, 3, and 5. And I'm going to give you the count, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, at that turn, you'll have enough time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You back here and start all over again. So here's the thing. This dance isn't hard at all, and it's fast. So you got to take time to memorize the steps so you can move in and out the different rotations. Now let me show you what we're going to do for rotation 4. So rotation 4, right? We did the cross and kick, right? So we back here, rotation 4, starting the dance. We go cross and kick, 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 kick. We cross and kick, then we pause, right? Pause, then we pivot around, okay? Then we lock step up, then we kick, up, back turn, up, back lockstep. We're gonna kick, up, back, turn, up, back, turn. So what did I just do for rotation 4? For rotation 4, what I did at the front wall, I'm gonna do at the back wall. So this is what I took out. Slide up, boom, boom, slide up, boom, boom. I took that out totally. When I got back here, when I turned back, I did my cross and kick, 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 kick. I cross and kick, and I pause. Pause. I pivot around, then I lock step up. The same thing I did at the front wall. Then I kick, ball change, up, back, turn. Then I go into a back rotation 5. Rotation 5 is going to look like what I did on rotation 1, 2, and 3, okay? So I would do 5, come back here, and I go back to that slide up. So your rotation 4 is when you take that slide up, and pump the heels, okay? So you'll know what I'm talking about because at the end of this video, I'm going to put the demo. Watch the demo, okay? Watch the demo first, and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. That's no sugar, no cream. Guys, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. That's more than enough time to get ready. Also, registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023, and you can book your hotel room right now. We would love to see you here in New Orleans. We're gonna have a great time. Just letting y'all guys know we always sell out, okay? So prepare yourself. I would love to see you instructors. I would love to see you and your crew. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.